TopProducts.com. Search TopProducts.com for the best product reviews online. Top Products presents our pick for the top 5 motorcycle alarms. For this review, we chose 5 brands known for quality motorcycle alarms, showcasing a variety of options that are available. At the number 5 spot is the GenC Basic Universal Motorcycle Alarm, chosen not only for its features but also because of its budget-friendly price tag. GenC is a brand originally known for its LED products, which are used in cars for the Baja 500, Baja 1000, but it's grown and now offers affordable automotive accessories as well. The GenC Basic Universal Motorcycle Alarm is an affordable and compact motorcycle alarm with a 6-tone siren and comes with 2 remote controls. It's a waterproof system that's built small enough to fit into tight spaces. It's also easy to install and has a shock sensor to improve the safety of your bike. The only drawback of this one is that the alarm is a bit too sensitive for some users. Next on our list at number 4 is the Urban Security UR6 Motorcycle Alarm. Urban Security is a European security company that specializes in the manufacturing and distribution of locks for bicycles, scooters, and motorcycles. Its UR6 motorcycle alarm is a disc lock alarm with a 6mm hardened steel locking pin. It features the double alarm system, which uses a 120 decibel siren and a powerful light signal. With a durable IP54 water-resistant body, this lock has a universal fit. It's also backed by a 2-year warranty, and you can use the lock without the alarm. The main criticism of this lock is that it doesn't have any shock or motion sensors. The next product on our list was chosen because it is a great choice for people who are looking for a motorcycle alarm with lots of bells and whistles. At number 3, we have the Gorilla 9 Series Compact Motorcycle Alarm. Gorilla Automotive has been in business for over 40 years and continues to maintain a reputation for high-quality automotive parts and accessories. Its compact motorcycle alarm is one of the best on the market. It features a powerful 120 decibel waterproof siren and has waterproof connectors too. This alarm has tilt, current, and adjustable shock sensors. It also has a 2-way paging system with a half-mile range. Plus, it takes less than 30 minutes to install and doesn't require any special tools. We did find some reports that users found this alarm too sensitive at first, but there's an option to lower it. When choosing the right motorcycle alarm for your needs, Top Products knows that budget can be an important consideration. And our number 2 pick, the Blackstone Anti-Theft Motorcycle Alarm, takes the spot for best value. Blackstone is a new brand on the market which has an independent research facility and specializes in developing and selling motorcycle accessories. Its anti-theft motorcycle alarm is truly great. It has a remote control that you can use to start your engine, and it deters hijackers by shutting off the power if your bike is being stolen. There's also a 125 decibel alarm and flashing lights that it uses to warn you if your motorcycle is in danger. Plus, it has shock and motion sensors for improved security. One issue some users have with this alarm was that its sensitivity was inconsistent, so you may bump into it and it'll go off one time, but the next it'll remain silent. And finally, the Xena Disc Lock Motorcycle Alarm made it to our top choice position because it provides a good array of features with an affordable price. Xena was started over 20 years ago when engineers and motorcycle enthusiasts came together to make a better lock. The Xena Disc Lock Motorcycle Alarm is a brilliantly designed lock with a stainless steel, high nickel content monoblock body and a carbide reinforced hardened steel double locking pin. It has a built-in 120 decibel alarm along with shock and motion sensors. This lock is also highly rated because it's nearly impossible to pick, and it's also freeze spray proof. We did come across a complaint from some users that the alarm sometimes goes off on its own. These are our top 5 motorcycle alarms. We hope you enjoyed watching our review. Until next time, take care. Click now to subscribe to our YouTube channel and like this video. Don't forget to like our Facebook page and visit us at TopProducts.com for more everyday product reviews.